Good evening, Rhondda. So, my name is Dr. Beverly Ballcrusher, and I'm a drag queen based here in Cardiff, although I'm originally from a little place called Tylerstown, over in the Rhondda. The lovely Chris Bryant told me what he was doing, and he said he wanted to share some love and positivity amongst the valleys during these darkened days. So he asked me to write or read a piece of poetry for you, and I thought, why don't I write one? So here you go. Are you listening? Are we sitting comfortably? Then mother will begin. In India, the Taj Mahal gleams brightly in the breakfast sun. The Princess Tower in Dubai stands proudly as the day's begun. It's 11s in London as the English serve their tea. Baguettes beneath the Eiffel Tower, it must be gay Paris. For lunch, we're in Central Park, grabbing hot dogs in Times Square. The afternoon is beckoning for coffee in Bel Air. It's Moscow mules in Vladivostok, gin in Old Bombay. The shrimp is on the barbie in Australia's Byron Bay. The Chinese have their noodles, the French have got their snails, but nothing fills my belly like cowl from Old South Wales. A cut from mam, a pint of brains, the twilight's on its way. Give me a Welsh cake from the pan, it's supper time, Ferndale. So as the day waves goodbye and the moon comes out to honour, it makes me proud to know I'm Welsh and say, good evening, Rhondda.